Uthuthuria wigie ciiko cia wagarari wa ihoto cia umundu iria itabanagio na maabitha mbiraru a bururi wa Ngeretha aria maikaraga Nanyuki kaunti-ini ya Laikipia niwoete mwerekero mweru thutha wa mbunge ya bururi kwiranira kuiyukia uthuthuria uyu nginya matigirire kihoto kiaria othe mari na mateta na mbiraru ici nikioneka.
We will see the omissions, all the violations that the British Army might have done in BATUK area, and I'm sure this committee has the wisdom, has the resources, has the knowledge and the power to make very sound recommendations and make sure that all the perpetrators of injustice and violation are brought to book.
Kamiti ya bunge UGITIRI na maundu ma nanja wa bururi ikinyanire itua riri kurumirira giikaro na kamiti ya gutetera ihoto cia muingi KNCHR iria hithuririe ati ni gukoretwo no nyitaniri gatagati ka mbiraru cia BATUK na maabitha ugitiri guku bururi-ini niguo kuhithirira kihiri gia ciiko cia kwagarara ihoto cia umundu iria itabanagio ni mbiraru ici noguo kuima kihoto aria makoragwo mahutitio.
There is a systemic attempt to subvert justice or to avoid justice being realized by the various people. Chair, our attempts to get justice for these children has systematically been blocked. We are not sure who is blocking it, but we want to believe that it is a conspiracy between BATUK and some local agencies.
KNCHR ehuthirite mamwe ma macira maria makoretwo maringite ihiga kwa ihinda iraya ta muhuano ta wa mwaka muhituku mweri-ini wa gatatu kuria kana gatigirwo na nguraro njuru thutha wa gukinya bomu iria yatigitwo ni maabitha ya mbiraru wa BATUK. Mwana ungi wa miaka 9 agikua kumana na mututhuko toi wa bomu cia gutigwo migunda-ini ni maabitha ya BATUK. Mwena wa Samburu West mwaka muhituku mbiraru ici ni ciaingirire mugunda wa muingi na ikiambiriria kuuhuthira mathomo-ini macio hatari kurumirira mawatho maria magirire. Ciiko cia ciana iria ciaretwo kumana na ndugu ya ikaria guku Laikipia na mbiraru wa BATUK gutigwo matari na uteithio riria mbiraru aya macoka kwa Ngeretha na wa kwihiriria muno ari giko gia kuragwo kwa muiritu Agnes Wanjiru ni abitha wa BATUK. Giko kiria kihoto gitari gia kinyanirio na thengia wa ukorwo kiahanikire miaka 9 mihituku.
Many of the witnesses are reluctant to testify because there is a culture of intimidating them. And we are happy to note the ruling where BATUK claimed immunity, but the court ruled that they were answerable. However, we want to note that this was referred to the Intergovernmental Liaison Committee and nothing has happened to date.
Kajuna riwirenda mugaruruku gutafanirio ngirimiti iria ihotithagia mbiraru ya guikara Laikipia gatagati ga bururi wa Kenya na bururi wa Ngeretha niguo kuhe bururi wa Kenya hinya wa guthitanga mamwe ma macira maya nginya muthia na muno makiria gutigirira andu othe aria makoretwo na makaya maya ni mona kihoto kiao.
We didn't hear the commission's voice. Did you write to the ministry? Did you write to parliament during that time? Because I remember one issue we were struggling with that time is the exclusion of the country's ability to prosecute murder. Because the host country should be able to have the leeway to prosecute a murderer.
This DCA, the Defense Corporate Agreement negotiated, has not taken into consideration citizens' interests or their participation.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunyam.